Hello guys, in this video we will learn view transition and animation using SwiftUI. View transition. To show a new view with transition, you can use the if statement to show the boolean status. On this new view, apply a transition modifier. The ZIndex modifier enhances that when you're dismissing a new view, stay on your top. Let's see some example. Before that, I will explain this code just once. Z-stack with on tap gesture listener. When user on tap this one, this will be toggle to false to true and then true to false vice versa. Here I just applying the view animation dot spring. Now if the value is updated means here it will be show transition and animation in SwiftUI by default. When user tap this one, this will be go to else. Then we just showing this rounded rectangular corner with 30 dB radius with the full pin color and padding and transition animation with dot slide. So here is the animation we applied dot transition dot slide. Let's say example, when I click this one, it just animating this one slide animation, but there is a issue in this UI because the ZIndex help us to ensure when you're dismissing the new views on the stay on tops. Now it's not stay on top, so I just enabling this one. Then you can see the preview. So the transition very smooth, stay on the top. That's why we using the Z tab. If you remove this one, this animation will be above this view. So that's why we using this ZIndex one. Now I just using the transition dot slide. Likewise, we just going to be see different example. Now I just going to be show you opacity. So this opacity transition make the view fade in when inserted and fade out when this removed. Likewise, I just show you demo of scale transition. Scale transition enlarge a view when inserted and shrink when it's removed, like this. Likewise, we have option to customize the scale multiplier and position. I just going to be change the scale position and customizing the scale transition. Just copy this one and paste here and just making within this one. I just opening and close bracket. I just type the scale value 0.1. Now I just setting the anchor value to bottom. Anchor value dot bottom. Just I'm going to show this demo again. See, it's from bottom. Likewise, you can customize the scale multipliers and positions. Now I just this turn off this one before that, right? Turn off this one and showing another demo. Now I just moving transition. To move transition, this view slide in and dismissing in the same direction specified. To make that, we just make move dot edge should be bottom or something. So I just tried this example like this. When you're using move, the view slide in and dismissing in the same direction specified. So I just removing this index. Now I showing again. You can see the text is overlapping this existing view. So I just enabling this one and showing demo again. You can feel this UI. It's very smoothly move above this view. So it's look good and beautiful. Then I just going to show some offset transition. Offset transition is nothing but it's similar to move transition, except you can move control on x and y position. So I just going to be control some x and y position. To make that, I just set offset, and I just setting the x value 300, then y value colon 300. Likewise, you can set the custom value. I just showing the demo. See, here is the offset position, we changed it. Likewise, you can do your animations using SwiftUI. See you guys in next video.